welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about some basic coding problems, and this is a compiler called online GDP compiler, and this is a Java programming. So this is the public class. Public class main is the main area where the program starts. No matter how many functions are there, main is the only thing that starts from. You can also add main in anywhere. You can add add many functions above, but main is the main function. When you compile the program, it will first check for main, then it will start. If there is no main, the program won't even run. And this is the public static void main string args, and these are like formulas which is compulsory. Today we are going to start with how to print hello world. So this is the basic format. Now system.out.println hello world, world's famous coding problem done by everyone. Now click run. Hello world came. Now we are going to print a number. Int. First we have to initialize a variable. Int means just a single number. Float means a number with point. Int a is equal to 10. Now we are going for a. Don't forget to close, write run. That's all, guys. And last but not least, we are going to ask how to get input from a user. For that, first we have to add a library. We have to add a scanner library, but to make it simple, and here we have to add scanner sc is equal to new. You can give any name here for sc. These are the only thing that is how to say formula, like system.in, and int a is equal to sc.next. Int means we are going for asking a number. Now run. Okay, I forgot to add semicolon, don't forget. Now 10. That's all, guys. This is how we get input from the user, and more problems will be coming. And if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you, guys.